Live from the world's capital markets, here are the financial headlines, brought to you by Kwakol.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making headlines in the markets today.
The UK government has delayed introducing more checks on EU goods entering the UK over fears it will disrupt supply chains and add to rising inflation. Eurozone's inflation hit a record 7.5% this month, although so far European Central Bank policymakers blame it mainly on energy prices. Crude oil closed April with a fifth consecutive monthly gain as supply challenges from Russia's war in Ukraine outweighed worries over demand tied to China's COVID-19 lockdowns. The dollar-yen pair fell 0.7% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair exploded 1.4% in the last session. The ROC's positive signal contradicts our overall technical analysis. The gold dollar pair rose 0.1% in the last session after gaining as much as 1.3% during the session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The last session saw the oil fall 0.7% against the dollar. The stochastic RSI is giving a positive signal. The US ISM Manufacturing PMI will be released at 1400 GMT. The US ISM Manufacturing Employment Index at 1400 GMT. And Germany's retail sales at 0600 GMT. The Eurozone's business climate will be released at 0900 GMT, Japan's Jibun Bank Manufacturing PMI at 130 hours GMT, and Japan's Consumer Confidence Index at 0500 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.